Okay, next we are going to discuss about the systematic sampling. Now just imagine these elephants that you can see on the screen are your population. Let us give numbering to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so 16 elephants are there. Now, on what basis I have numbered them? What do you think? Just randomly? No. I have numbered them in an order, in a sequence. So, as you can see in this table, two columns are there. One column is for number of the elephants and the second column is their appropriate weight in kg. So, as you can see, elephant number 1, its weight is 1.8 thousand kg. Elephant number 2, its weight is 1.9 thousand kg. Elephant number 3, its weight is 2000 kgs. Okay, so as you can see, as the numbering is increasing, the weights are also increasing. Now the last elephant, that is the elephant number 16, its weight you can see 5.8 thousand kgs. Okay, so you can realize that the elephants are numbered according to their weight in the ascending order they are arranged. Okay, so very important thing that you need to learn in this no in this systematic sampling is you need to arrange the population in some kind of order, in some kind of sequence, and then after arranging them you need to give numbering to the population. Next, what after this? Now we know our capital N, that is our population is of 16 elephants. Now just imagine we need to select 8 elephants for our sample among the 16 elephants. Now how to do this? On what basis we are going to select 8 sample out of the 16 sample? Yes, as the topic name, we will follow systematic sampling. Okay, so in systematic sampling, what we need to do first? Yes, you need to you need to arrange the population in some order and then give numbering to the entire population. This is the very first thing that you need to do. The second important thing is in systematic sampling, we are using an equation, that is k equals to capital N divided by small n. Now you know very well about capital N and small l, isn't it? Capital N means population and small n means sample. Now what does K means? K means sampling interval, which means after how much interval we need to select a sample. Now let us check out this equation. We need to add the value of capital N and small n. So the capital N is 16 and small n is 8, which gives 2. So we got K value as 2. So what does it mean? It means that we need to start with second item of the series and then select every second item of the population series. Like here in this column you can see the second item is this one. Okay, the kth item to which we call the second item, and then we need to go on selecting every second item of this series of population. Okay, so by this you will get 8 sample out of 16. Okay, so this is the way how we will perform systematic sampling. Similarly, we'll have one more example. Suppose the value of n is 5. Okay, so out of 16 we need to select 5 samples. So how to do so? Same in the similar manner, we'll add the value of capital N and small n in this equation, and we got the value as 3.2. Okay, so 3.2 means here we need to consider it as 3. Now what we'll do next? Same thing. We need to start with the third item of the series and then select every third item of the population series. So in this column, as you can see, the third item is this one, 3. Then you go on selecting every third item. Okay. So this is the way how we do the sampling. Here, there is very much importance of this decimal points. Like suppose here in this example you can see the decimal point is 2, like 3.2. So you need to consider it as 3, means you need to consider it in a similar manner how you will be calculating the marks of your exams. Okay, if the value of k might have been 3.5, then you need to consider it as 4. Okay, so less than zero point 0.5, like 3.3 or 3.2, you need to consider it as 3. But if the decimal point value is greater than zero point 0.5, like 3.5 or 3.6, then you need to consider it as 4. Okay, same way as you are calculating your marks of the exam, same thing. Next, let us check out few notes regarding systematic sampling. It is a type of probability sampling method in which members from large population are selected according to fixed starting point and a fixed period interval. This interval, called as sampling interval, is calculated by dividing the population size by the desired population. Next, the selection procedure. First of all, define the population. Next, determine the desired sample size. Next, obtain a list of population and arrange in some order. Like as we did in elephant case, we have arranged them in the ascending order of their weights. Usually we are arranging the population in the ascending order of some feature. Next, we need to determine the value of k. Okay, and how to do so? We'll divide the population size with the sample size. Next, we need to start with the kth value. Like in our elephant case, what we got the k value 3.2. So we'll consider it as 3 and we'll start with the third item of the sequence. Next, starting from that point, take every kth number on the list until desired sample size is reached. Okay, like 3.2 was our k value and we started with the third number of the population series, and then we selected every third number like 6th elephant, 9th elephant, 12th elephant, 15th elephant, 18th elephant, until and unless we got our desired sample size. So this is how we are doing systematic sampling. Next, we'll check out advantages. It is a simple method, purely simple method. Just you need to put the value in sample value and population value in the equation, and whatever k value we got, we are go on selecting that. That's it. Guaranteed that population will be evenly sampled. Obviously we are arranging it under ascending order, so we'll get the smallest, middle and the highest number also. Next, we'll check out disadvantages. Need a complete list of units, like we need to get the names of the entire population, and periodicity, like giving numbers to them and then selecting that thing. It is a huge task. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of the sampling method, and this was all about our today's video regarding systematic sampling. I hope you people found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.